Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Again, good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. A very good morning to everyone. Respected Principal ma'am, HM ma'am, dear staff members, and all dear students. Today, all of you know why we have assembled over here? Yes, ma'am. What is the occasion? Today, we all have assembled here to celebrate our Foundation Day, also known as KVS Day. And all of you must be knowing why do we celebrate Foundation Day. This is the day when central schools, 20 central schools came into existence in 1963. Okay, so what is the objective of KVS? It is to impart the education to the children of central government employees who get transferred many times in a year. They should not face any educational disadvantages. And KVS not only imparts education, it also inculcates values among the students by following Indian customs and traditions. So one of the custom and tradition we are going to follow today is the starting of this program with lighting the lamp. Light is a symbol of all positive ideas like truth, knowledge, understanding, while darkness, it represents all sorts of evil. Thus, lighting a lamp spreads a positive message. It is a divine grace giving us the message to rise upward and progress. So let us start this program with lighting of the lamp. I request Principal Ma'am and HM Ma'am to please light the lamp and inaugurate the program. Principal Ma'am is learning in the project of Goddess Saraswati, seeking the blessings of the goddess. Flowers are being offered. Now you can see HMM offering flowers. Now as this is a KVS Foundation Day, today one of the main part of the program is hoisting the KVS flag. I request Principal Ma'am and HMM to please proceed to the flag post and hoist the KVS flag. A big round of applause, please. Bigger, louder, and louder. Very good. Now it is the time to take the pledge. KVS pledge is being delivered by Smita Ma'am, PGT English, and Ram Kumar sir. All the teachers are requested to please come over to the stage for the pledge.
I request everyone to take pledge position.
Not hard. Ready for pledge? Yes, sir. Watch out.
KVS Foundation Day pledge. We, the members of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, solemnly pledge to work selflessly towards making India a strong and prosperous nation. We shall discharge our duties conscientiously to take our country to greater heights of sparkling achievements. We pledge to inculcate patriotism as well as cultural and ethical values among our countrymen through our services and actions. On KVS Foundation Day, today we commit ourselves with dedication and devotion towards the betterment and development of our country and countrymen. Thank you. Jai Hind.
विश्राम सावधान। अब केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन स्थापना दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर अब हम एक संकल्प करेंगे। ठीक है, पोजीशन ले लीजिए। हम केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन के सदस्य भारत को एक सुदृढ़ और समृद्ध राष्ट्र बनाने हेतु निस्वार्थ भाव से कार्य की शपथ लेते हैं। देश को उन्नति के चरम शिखर पर प्रतिष्ठित करने के लिए हम सत्य निष्ठा से अपने कर्तव्यों का पालन करेंगे। अपने कार्यों एवं सेवा भाव द्वारा देशवासियों के हृदय में देशभक्ति तथा सांस्कृतिक एवं नैतिक मूल्यों के प्रति श्रद्धा भाव उत्पन्न करने की शपथ लेते हैं। आज केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन के स्थापना दिवस पर हम देश और देशवासियों के विकास और उत्थान हेतु संपूर्ण निष्ठा एवं समर्पण भाव से कार्य करने का दृढ़ संकल्प करते हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
तो एक साथ बैठेंगे, बैठ जाओ। बैठेंगे, इधर, एक साथ। बैठ जाओ। आभार।
Music, it washes away all the dirt of the soul, dust of everyday life. It is a food for the soul. The students of primary section, they are coming onto the stage with beautiful KVS song, which focuses on the targets set by KVS. So I request ma'am to start please.
Shri Rana Randa
जोर से इस गीत से हमें केवीएस के मोटो का पता चलता है, वो है तत्वम पूषण अपावृणु। हे सूर्य, या अज्ञान रूपी अंधकार को मिटा दें और हमें ज्ञान रूपी उजाले की ओर ले चले। इंडिया, which was once the hub of education in the world, Nalanda, Takshila, and other universities are the proof of it. KVS aims at bringing back the ancient glory of India in the field of education. In the past few years, you must have seen during the Corona times even, the education was not deterred, it was not stopped, it continued. KVS switched on to the new technology and online education was promoted. Till now, online education is still going on. To tell us more about our organization, I invite our PGT Economics, Mr. T. Sulhaka sir, to please come onto the stage and enlighten our students. And all of you will be listening very carefully because after this there is a surprise for you all. Okay?
बैठेंगे, बैठ जाओ। The most respected principal ma'am, HMS, my dear young colleagues, and my beloved children. Good morning to all of you. Good morning, sir. Yeah, would you like to know something about the history of our KVS? Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, I would like to brief you the history of KVS, why it has come into existence, and today you are all enjoying the education facilities in the Kendriya Vidyalaya. What is the story behind this? Just I would like to brief you. Already, Jyoti Madam has given some information, but I would like to give you the complete information, the growth and development of our KVS. In the year of 1962, today is the KVS Foundation Day. First of all, happy greetings to all of you and happy Foundation Day to all my children and colleagues. In 1962, there was a conflict between India and China over the issue of Himalayan border, and our Bharat was extending the support to the Tibetans, which was upcoming state. That was the small conflict which broke out the war between India and China. In the 1963, Central Pay Commission also was established to study about the education facilities and the fixing the employees of the central government employees. So at that time, then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, and he was inquiring about the meeting the war requirements and all. Many of the defense personnel were on leave. That is the reason because it was in the month of October and it was also in the month of April. Most of the defense personnel are on leave for the getting the admissions to their children in different states or their home states. You know, defense personnel or paramilitary forces children, they will get the transfer every 3 years or 5 years to remote areas where the remotest localities and where they have to shift their family or they have to keep them in their hometown. But it was a great difficult for all these central government employees, especially the defense personnel. They are liable to transfer all over India. Getting the educational facilities with a common syllabus was a great difficulty. This was brought to the Prime Minister, and the Central Pay Commission also recommended to look after the educational needs of the central government employees, and that according to the recommendation, in the year of 1962, some military regimental schools were started, army public schools also were started. With the recommendation in the year of 1963, by the 5th December, our KVS has been established, and in the name of the central schools it was started. Later on it was taken into the Kendriya Vidyalaya. Kendriya Vidyalaya is a Sanskrit derived word because the motto of the KVS is different. Tattvam Pushan Abhavani. Just you listen the motto of this KVS, children, you can understand what are the basic objectives of our Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Tatvam Pushan Apavram. The meaning, the Sanskrit word it is derived from the Sanskrit. The meaning of this, the face of the truth and dharma is covered by a golden plate. O God, please remove, throw your rays and realize us like that so that the dharma and the truth will be visible. This is the meaning. The truth and dharma, it was covered by the golden plate that is to be removed, that we are praying the God. That means truth. It is the philosophy of the Gandhiji from the Satyagraha, it has been taken. And dharma, we have to do our dharma, whatever the duties are assigned to us, being a child, being a daughter, being a son, everyone, being a teacher, whatever the dharma that we have to perform, that we should do it. That is the basic object of the Kendriya Vidyalaya. And the purpose it is that it is providing and catering the needs of the education facilities to the central government employees who are liable to transfer all over the country without any kind of deprive of their education facilities, having a common platform, common syllabus, common type of teaching and everything. It has been structured all over the country wherever they go, and they can have the equivalent educational opportunities. The very important defense personnel protecting our country, their children should not be deprived of the educational facilities. That was the reason Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has come into the existence in the year of 1963 on 15th December. So 15th December it has become very auspicious day for us. All over the India we are celebrating the KVS, different cultural programs and everything we are celebrating all over this country. That is why this day is very important for us, for our KVS. And also you and myself and everyone should be a member of the KV family, and being a KVN we should always feel proud. It was started with the 20 schools initially. Later on it has developed like anything. It has taken its different shapes, different programs, different strategies. It has been divided gradually, it has been increased. Now just I would like to give you the brief information. It was started with 20 schools. Now 1245 KVs in India. It was started with 20 schools. Imagine the fastest growth of the KVS in the 58 years we completed. 59th KVS Foundation Day we are celebrating today. Now 245 in India and 3 schools in the abroad. Moscow, Kathmandu, Tehran also in the abroad, in the Indian embassies, the people who are working, and there also total 1248 schools. Now, according to the statistics of the December 2019, 38,88,899 students are there getting the education facilities in KVS, and near about 48,314 employees are working under this. It's a very big and huge organization which was recognized by, it was under the control of the Ministry of Human Resource. Now it has been shifted to the Union Ministry Department of Education. This is the growth of our KVS. The main important purpose of this KVS is that to provide a quality education. It is a pace-setting organization. It is a world famous, one of the biggest world famous chain of schools which are catering the needs of the education facilities for all the defense personnel, paramilitary personnel. Now it is also extended to the, some extent to the even civilians also by the course of changes. And this is one of the biggest organization affiliated with the CBSE and following the NCERT syllabus, and it has been, KVS has been recognized as one of the state of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, and it is giving the biggest awards to the Scouts at the early age. Even Rashtrapati Award also it is given, and recently we can see that some Khel Ratna, sports, cultural, Scouts and Guides, Cubs and Gurukuls, and these are so many various programs that has been taken up, and also KVS always in the forefront in the implementation of any Government of India program, and recently to commemorate, to popularize the national heroes, the freedom fighters, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav you can take, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat you can take, and Fit India movement also you can take. These are the very important programs to inspire children the KVS is launching. From the lowest stage to the now, today we are having the world-class facilities like interactive boards and e-learning classrooms also it has been established, and it has grown like anything. Now, in this song, just we have seen Bharat Ka Gaurav Swarnibhav Kendriya Vidyalaya Laya. That means what? Government of India has got so much of the belief in us that we can bring a bright golden era again back to the India. And Takshashila Nalanda इतिहास लौट कर आएगा. So Maurya Chandragupta time का Takshashila Nalanda are the very great universities. That kind of history again comes back only by KVS. This is the belief that everyone will have in us. And KVS has produced so many personalities in sports, astronauts, filming, acting, director, everything. You can see that so many personalities are being produced by the KVS. And today, the whole world is chanting only one mantra, Satyam, Shivam, Sundar. Satyam means Satya Narayana, Shivam means Shiva Nada, SLCO, and Sundar, Sundar Pichai, CEO of the Google. These are all the people, and especially Satya Narayana, Microsoft CEO, and have been produced by our KVS is a KV product. We should always feel proud about these ever great personalities that we have produced. Film actors, Sonali Binde, Prakash Jha, Pooja Bhatt, Ayesha Julke, Naina Tara, Sushmita Sen. These are all the famous personalities who have been very familiarized in the film industry. It is not easy to cope up with the film industry, but KV product always will survive everywhere, anywhere. Six to eight, Sanskrit has become very compulsory subject. It has become. Then German language. There is a growing demand for the German language. It is a request of the parents or some of the people in the board of governors. It has been taken the decision, and most of the Indians are migrating to the search of the employment in USA, Britain, Switzerland, Australia. Next, there are so many employment avenues in the German. That is why German language also has been introduced, but it was stopped in 2014. Again, it has been introduced in the 2019. This is a brief history of our KVS children. We should be very much proud. And also, KVS is a pace-setting organization even in the COVID-19. Even a single child of the KV has not been affected by the COVID because every KV and KVS has initiated for the standard operating procedures, providing the cleanliness. Really, I am very much thankful to our principal. Even today, most of the KVs, this kind of temperature checking and sanitizing, it was not there. Even smoke also is being spread in the KVS. And really, I feel very proud to be a member of this KV and for operating all these things, for taking all kinds of measures and precautions, and our credit goes to our teachers also. And in the results wise, you can see that KV Polaran last year it produced very wonderful results. This is because of the teachers and all, and because of the sincere efforts of the students and all. I hope that this kind of quality result will continue in the further also. And I wish you all the best, my children, and you will prove yourself second to none in the matters of the discipline and obtaining the name of our King. Thank you very much.
All of you have listened to Sir. Sir has given you brief introduction to the history of KVS. Okay, now it is the time to see how much you people have grasped, how much you have known about your own organization. So I request Preeti Marshall ma'am to please present the quiz.
Never stop learning because life never ends teaching. Respected Principal Ma'am and my dear learned colleagues, Session Ma'am and my dear learned colleagues, a very good morning to everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Now, Sir has given you a brief description about KVS. How many of you are proud to be a KV? All. We are all proud to be a KVS, yes. even I. Okay, shall I ask you some questions now? Where is the head? Now, please do not answer. If you know the answer, just raise your hand. Just raise your hand. No group answers. Okay? Where is the headquarters of KVS? Yes. Stand.
Ma'am, Delhi.
New Delhi. Yes, come here. Clap for him. When was KVS established? When was KVS? Yes, Amit.
Ma'am, in 1962.
No.
Ma'am, yes, 1963. Yes,
Date?
15th December 1963.
Yes. How many Kendriya Vidyalayas are there in all?
200.
No. Don't group answer. Just raise your hand. Yes, that last one. Last one with specs. Specs. No. In all. In all. Yes. 1,000? No. Yes.
1,245.
India and abroad. Total, in all I said.
Ma'am, 1,247.
Yes, correct. Clap for him. How many KVs are there in foreign countries?
मैडम ने बताया मुझे ही जाना
How many KVs are there in foreign countries? Very good. Moscow, Kathmandu and Tehran. What is the motto of KVS?
ऐसे पीछे से कैसे
Sir clearly described it.
रिपीट में
What is the motto of KVS? संस्कृत में है.
अरे अभी सुबह सुबह गाए हैं ना
अरे ऊपर लिखा है
Very good, very good. Name the school board with Kendriya Vidyalayas follow.
इजी है
What is your board? ICSC, SSC,
This is group answer. This question will be cancelled. Calculate for me only.
What is the full form of CBSE?
Yes.
Central Board of Secondary Education.
Very good. Okay. What is the full form of NCERT? Somebody else. NCERT. Yes.
All NCERT solutions.
No one?
रोज टेक्स्ट खोलते हो क्या
NCERT. बोलो अभी.
मैम नेशनल काउंसिल ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड ट्रेनिंग
Research and training. Okay, good. Now every day you hear, what is the full form of PRT? What is the full form of PRT? PRT is KV. PRT, TGT and PGT. Can you tell? TGT? TGT is trained graduate teacher. PGT? Postgraduate teacher. You all should know this. Then, what is RT? RTE.
Only last one. Madam.
Very good.
Madam, इधर आइए. इधर आइए.
A big round of applause for all of you. शाबाशी क्लास देनी आती है? Yes? तो शाबाशी क्लास में क्या होता है? 1 2 3 1 2 3 then शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश. Okay? Now we are going again towards the music. One more KVS song is being presented by the students of primary as well as secondary section, and all of you enjoy and sing along. Okay? This was a song presented by Samiksha of class 7C. So, which type of dance was this? Yes? It was Lavani. Lavani presented by Samiksha. Okay? So, next we are going to present a KVS song. And all of you can sing along. बैठे बैठे सावधान.
बैठे बैठे
बैठे बैठे विश्राम. बैठे बैठे सावधान. बैठे बैठे विश्राम. प्यारे से गीत के लिए इतनी हल्की सी तालियां नहीं होनी चाहिए, जोरदार तालियां। Dear students, all the activities, whatever goes on in KVS, whatever the theories are there, it is put into practice at the ground level, that is the school level, under the guidance of the prime teacher, our principal. So now I request our principal ma'am to please address the gathering, address the students. Ma'am, please. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, ma'am. At the very outset, I would like to extend congratulations to all the students who participated and who have made this program great success. And then I wish all of you happy KVS Foundation Day. Thank you. Now, our learned teachers have shared with us the purpose of starting Kendriya Vidyalayas in our country, and then from where it started and where we are today. It is true that KVS has started to impart quality education to students of this country, whether they are from rural or from urban or from poor or rich background. Now today, our KVS is one of the premier institutions in the field of education in India. There is no doubt about it. In terms of the results, we can very proudly say that we are topping in the CBS board. KVS has produced the best results. We are on top of JNVs and DPS and other organizations. That's fine. But we have to introspect, and I was thinking, the pledge that today we have taken, all of us, including students, teachers, everyone, including me also, what did we pledge today? That we will inculcate patriotism as well as cultural and ethical values. So other than the education, other than the academics, some of these areas are taken care by the co-curricular activities as well as sports, but still there is a lot to achieve in these areas. COVID has put before us some unexpected situation, and all the teachers have risen to the expectation and the need of the hour. Teachers have learned the technologies, adopted them, and we have imparted education, and we have given support to the students to excel even in those difficult times. However, with all the benefits, there are some difficulties also, and there will be some lacunas also. Now, in our pursuit to continue education and achieve excellence, we are seeing the learning gaps. Am I not correct? Academic year was completed, but when children are slowly coming back to school, we are seeing the learning gaps that COVID has created. Now today on this auspicious day, I think all of us, we have to dedicate our services and pledge again to bring back and to close those gaps, plug those gaps, and then make our children all-round achievers. Today, just one small example. We were taking pledge in Hindi as well as in English. Our children are not able to keep their right hand in pledge position. They were taking the help of the left hand to keep the right hand in the position. I'm not saying that it is our fault, but children, you also should not become so weak. Are you doing any physical fitness exercises? If that is yes, then I would not have seen today's situation, today's scene. Almost everyone. Almost everyone. You have to improve your strength, physical strength. And I hope next year we will not be celebrating like this with a small gathering. I hope that entire school will be here and we will celebrate how we used to do 2 years back with very big cultural program and with lot of enthusiasm and fun. And on this day, again I request and I urge all my teachers of KV Bolara to please think about the learning gaps that COVID period has created and then think how to plug them. That will be our contribution to our great KVS, because today every one of us will take pride to be a KVN, to say that we are from KV. So this will be our small contribution to our beloved organization. So this much I want to say, and every one of you please think, because this situation has created some gaps and there is no doubt about it. So we have to think about it and again take our organization above the others and then maybe to much more greater heights. And inculcating values, it is really a big problem now. Now we have to try our level best to inculcate them through our ACP programs and other programs. We have to rededicate ourselves along with students, teachers also. I think we also have become little bit lethargic, started feeling fear. What if children come? Let us stop it. We have to be ready to invite children, and I hope if everything goes well, probably 2022 we will welcome children to school all 100%, not 50 but 100%. Once again, I wish you all very happy KVS Foundation Day. Think about my words, because it is going to help us and make our school stand out in crowd in other Vidyalayas, among other Vidyalayas. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I would like to thank Mrs. Yasmin and her group and her efforts. And children, madam, please put that YouTube for children also. All primary teachers have sung beautiful song. I appreciate the spirit of primary teachers. Please, big round of applause. Thank you. And I thank CCA committee also for making this program a grand success. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. All of you have heard what ma'am has just told you. KVS is a brand number 1 in the field of education. DPS, NVS, all are in competition. So it is our duty to somehow maintain the position on which KVS is standing. That is number 1 position. In this, what you can do? You can do your duty meticulously. क्या करना है हमें KVS को टॉप नंबर पे लाने के लिए, रखने के लिए कि हमें अच्छे से पढ़ाई करनी है, अच्छे से खेलना है और अपने स्कूल का नाम रोशन करना है. So all of you are promising that the flag of KV Bolaram will be flying high. Promise? Yes, ma'am. This is not the sound of promise. Promise इतने हल्का फुल्का नहीं होता है. जोर से बोलिए. Yes, very good. So with this, we end our program. Now the last national anthem will be there. So all of you are requested to stand up.
Good. Which song? Savan. Ready for national anthem? National anthem begins.